So this month in January 2026, I made my first $800 online. After trying so many business model, after spending 2 3 years trying different business model, like so and so, I tried to build AI SaaS, I tried to do drop shipping, I tried to build my SMMA agency, social media marketing agency. I tried everything, so many things, but most of them failed. And I spent my 2 3 years trying different things. You can check my journey on my YouTube channel as well. I have tried to document everything from my all business model. Since I tried to build AI automation agency, I documented that as well. I tried to do two startups, I tried to build two AI startups. One is TubeMind, AI YouTube video summarizer, which failed miserably. Then second was sorastem.com, which was Sora watermark remover, which also made $0. Like I tried to do marketing, organic marketing. I build the website. I tried everything, but I failed with those two startups. I tried to build SMM, my social media marketing agency, but I I failed in that business model as well. So after spending 2 3 years, I finally made my first $800 online this month. So I will try to share exactly how I did it and how I made $800 in just 20 days or 30 days by spending 30 days. And business model which is extremely new. I don't even know any single person online who is trying, documenting, there are so many people trying this business model and making 20 30,000 dollars a month. I hope you may have seen those, seen those accounts. I will share and I will show you exactly how I made and how I did this. So you can see exact numbers. $800 I made with Gumroad by selling digital products. But this is not new. So many people's trying to teach, sell digital products and earn money. But the most important part for us, like us beginner, is having audience. Building digital product is not enough. And we have to find the marketing strategy, the like proper we can say like proper distribution network, like how to sell, how to bring our digital products to the audience. That is the main trouble for beginner like us to sell digital products. People and so many online gurus trying to teach, like sell digital products, build this type of digital product, but most difficult part is building the audience, like to whom sell digital products. That is the main trouble for us. So to to solve that problem, I found one way, one cheat code, which is extremely new, and no one doing this perfectly, not even me. So we will together learn this and make so much money with this business model. I will try to teach and explain you everything, like how I build the audience, how I grow the page, and how I made a digital product which made $800. So first, let me show you the exact distribution network or exact distribution platform from which I find the customer to digital products I made. So you can see Instagram profile. So this is the main page which brings audience. You can see. Now, if you are smart and you know the AI tools currently available in the market, then you probably may guess what is this. This is AI influencer, AI avatar. Like you can see, this is 100% AI made. You can see. So I made AI avatar of a doctor, like AI health educator. You can see, which performed extremely well. Millions of views, thousands of likes, like so much good response. You can see. So I made this account in December 2025, and it is currently January 2026. So I can say that in 1 month or less than 30 days, I made $800 with this account. But the main problem is that finding a winning format and finding the winning account. That is the main trouble. I may, or I hope you may seen the videos like this, AI videos, but the main problem was finding winning formula, winning like content which people likes over and over. So I found this winning format, and made so much content and build audience, and then I build one digital product and sell to this audience with this page. I made digital product and I sold, and I try to sell this digital product to this audience. But I what if I tell you that I could have made around $4 or $5,000, not just $800. But I stopped selling digital products with this account. Now, if you are wonder like how why did I just why did I just stop? Even I am making so much money with digital products. The one problem was ethical reason. Like I had one thought that I am trying to sell digital products, information, expertise of AI doctor. So people who are buying these are around 30, 40, 50-year old American women. So they thought, I clearly mention in these videos that these are AI videos, but some of women still think that this is real doctor account, or he is real doctor. So I don't want to sell, and I don't want to like scam people. In my mind, as my ethical, or my, like, how can I say, sorry, my English is not good, but I am trying to improve it. I am saying that I don't want to scam people, I don't want to be bad in God's eyes. Like, that's why I stopped selling digital products with this account, even though I am making so much money with it. So this is what currently my phase, my what am I doing in my life. I am trying to build AI influencer, AI avatar, and most importantly, I will try to make money with good ethics, not scamming people, and with good intentional and providing good value. I will not try to scam people. Like in previous digital product, I was not also scamming people, but I was trying to sell digital products on behalf of doctor, like AI doctor. So this was not ethical in my eyes. So that's why I stopped selling digital products even though I am making money with it. So this is all currently I am doing. Now I am trying to build dropship. I am trying to build Shopify store, selling good, valuable and beneficial health supplement, like nutrition supplements, which real physical products, like which is truly beneficial and not evil or not bad in my eyes. Like I sell products which actually helps these women, so I will be safe completely in my eyes. So this is what I am doing. I have built Shopify store as well. Let me show you. I tried to build Shopify store. I spent like 2 and 3 days last days and tried to build Shopify store. You can see clinical biology labs. So this is what I am now next going to do. I will I will promote this physical product, which is truly beneficial and truly certified products. And I will try to sell this with this account, this AI influencer account. So let's see how it goes, and will I really be able to make money with it and sell this product or not. So I will try to document and share everything with you. And if you want to know how I make these AI videos, how I find winning format, how I make scripts, everything, I will teach you, I will guide you, not teach you, I will guide you, everything. So please drop a comment if you want to learn how I made this whole my I will explain full workflow of mine, like how I make script, how I make videos, how I make like this, how I edit videos, how I find ideas of the content which get so much views, you can see. So I will try to teach you and I will try to guide you everything if you want. So please drop a comment if you want to learn this, and please subscribe my channel if you want to join my journey. I will document this whole my life journey. I will try to share everything with you. And I know my English is not great and good yet, but I am trying to improving it. So please subscribe and please join this journey. Let's meet after let's meet like if you want to learn, drop a comment and I will make dedicated full workflow explanation video, and I will try to guide everything what from my experience of making $800 with AI influencers.